Tricia, do you remember what we studied?
Yes, about the tense.
Yeah, very smart lady. Yes, we studied tense, but as you see, number one, my explanation is very quick. Okay, and the second one, my explanation, especially grammar explanation, is not like focusing on only grammar because I don't like it.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't teach you ya, ye, o, kana, dara, ma, ba, sa, cha. No, I didn't do that. That's like Korean alphabet.
Okay.
Why? Try to focus on expression itself. Okay, so you are going to learn naturally later. Okay, of course you need time. Same thing, Kanadara Baba Satata, or of course they need the time.
Yes.
But from my experience, I have learned two foreign languages, which are English and Chinese.
Yes.
Yeah, Chinese. Who is your Zhongwen? Okay. Wow. So let's not focus on too much grammatical things.
Yes.
But I have decided unit 9, one more time, tense. Okay? So repeat me. 7월에 7월 is like July. 한국에는 in Korea is 한국에는 비가 많이 온다. 비가 많이 온다. It rains a lot.
Okay.
When? Usually now, no. Generally, we say present tense. Means, general happening events. Okay? That's present tense. 비가 많이 온다. Good job. Next tense, 지난 밤에는. Last night.
Okay.
지난 밤에는 last night. Then the tense is when?
Last night.
Yeah, last night is past.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So past, 비가 내렸다. 얻다 is like a past tense.
Past tense. Okay.
Remember unit A, I told you 나는 갔다.
Yeah.
비가 내렸다. Okay? It's all past tense. One more time. 비가 내렸다. 비가 내렸다. Good job. If it rains future, 비가 내릴 것이다.
비가 내릴 것이다.
Good job. 비가 올 것이다. 올 것이다 is like will happen in the future. Okay, so it is not raining now. It was not raining. It will rain,
Yeah.
or it is going to rain. Okay, or it is about to rain. Okay, depending on situation. But anyway, in Korea we say 비가 올 것이다. Good job. If it is raining now, present progressive, right? 비가 내리고 있다. Yesterday it was raining. 비가 내리고 있었다. Good job. In the future, it's raining. 비가 내리고 있을 것이다. But we don't use it, open. We don't have a chance to use this expression. So I'm just saying grammatically, but you don't need to learn. Okay?
Okay.
So 비가 내릴 것이다. Enough. Future. Enough. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So look at Tricia's expression. She is a little upset about so many things. What I'm saying is like you guys are the same thing, but try to repeat, and you are going to be exposed to grammatical things so easily. I hope. Okay. See ya.
Thank you for watching.